Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to introduce this High Mimi. This one's the 30 feet plus 9 feet extension core reel. It has a 16 gauge retractable extension core reel for a garage workshop. You can mount this on the ceiling or wall. It has a 3 triple tap outlet, 10 amp circuit breaker, UL listed. By the way, they have other 50 feet with a 14 gauge, 30 feet, 16 gauge, and 65 feet, 14 gauge. And this one also offers lockable and automatic retractable. And you could also adjust the stopper. Depends on the length that you want to stop at. And this one has a coil spring. It also features a 180-degree swivel. It also offers a lighted triple socket that has a LED indicator lights up when power is on. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show you in the description so you guys could check it out. By the way, I'd like to give a shout out to Thomas from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. So they come with 2 of this hex screw to anchor down. Oh, somehow needs an extra set. So here's a user manual. You could also mount this on the cement block in your back yard or side yard or courtyard or front yard, wherever you need to use it. Come the wall anchor. So it has 3 prongs. It's 3 color coded. So this one is 9 feet. It actually says 9.5 feet. And this one, you retract. Now it's locked. You pull one time to retract it back. And there is your 10 amp circuit breaker right here. So it's pretty nice build. And right here is the anchor. You could put it on the ceiling like this, and you could swivel 180 degree, or you can mount this on the wall and swivel 180 degree. Okay, depends on how you, wherever your workshop. And this is the adjustable stopper right here. You need to use Phillips screwdriver to loosen this up. So if you imagine you mount this on the ceiling and it's too short, so you need a longer length, then just pull this out, unscrew this, and adjust it further back. to get a longer length. So yeah, let's go ahead and plug this in and see where's the light at, the LED light. Also, there's a LED indicator right there that is on right now. And this is pretty heavy duty. Got 3 prongs. 1, 2, 3. It's pretty cool that they make clear so you can see through them. So yeah, let's go ahead and mount this and check it out. Alright, so I'm going to mount on the bracket over here, and I found some of the nut and bolts because I don't want to drill any of the hole through the ceiling or to the wall. It's gonna look ugly, so yeah, let's go ahead and get it started. Got some of this nuts and bolt and washer. Well, somehow the hole is not aligned, so I cannot use the same size of nuts and bolt. So I gotta get a smaller one. Yes! Alright, so yeah, looking pretty nice. So make sure the wire is not cut or anything, so now I can work on my cars. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. Be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. If there's a coupon box code, make sure you click on it before you check out so you get a discount price with it. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.